What's the meaning of concierge? Concierge. Concierge.
Concierge. Concierge. A concierge is a person who is typically employed in a hotel or apartment building to assist guests or residents with various tasks and arrangements. The term originated from the French word concierge, meaning keeper of the keys. A concierge's responsibilities may include making restaurant reservations, arranging transportation, providing directions, recommending local activities, and even running errands. They are typically knowledgeable about the local area and can offer insights and recommendations to guests. Essentially, a concierge serves as a personal assistant to make their clients' lives easier.